Welcome all. Today we are going to show you Toshiba QLED TV 55M550 installation and demo setup. This TV can be installed either on tabletop or on wall mount. Both options are available inside the TV packaging. Tabletop and wall mount. Let's check one by one. Your TV is installed now. Let me take you through features of this TV. Let's start with TV setup. On the first screen, TV will ask for language selection. You can choose your desired language from here. Next step is the selection of region or country. Now the next screen will ask to set up Google TV or a basic TV. Please select Google TV. Now open Google Home application in your mobile phone and add a new device. Please allow the device with the necessary permission to continue the setup. Match the model number on the top left of the screen of your TV with the screen on the mobile phone. Now app will ask to scan the QR code display on the TV to continue. Follow the on-screen instruction on the mobile phone to complete the setup. Now the Google Home application will ask to install certain application. Select the apps you want to install from the option provided. The TV will now ask to pair the TV remote by pressing the back and home key together for 3 seconds. Accept and allow permission on the TV to continue. And the TV will install and update application to complete the setup process. Now let's see how to connect TV with internet. Go to the top right section which has the login alphabet and open the gear icon to open TV settings. Then select network and internet setting. Then you can select connection type, either wireless or Ethernet connection. Search for the network and enter the password to connect internet. Now comes to the operating system. This is the new Google TV OS system. It is the latest TV OS by Google. Now comes to the picture setting. First option is the picture mode in setting. You have multiple picture mode option available and you can select any one as to your preference. Dolby Vision is available in picture mode setting. It will be automatically switched on if the content is Dolby Vision enabled. Now comes to the sound mode. In sound mode, you can select from multiple options as per your preference. The TV supports Dolby Atmos and can be enabled in the sound option menu. It supports 20-watt woofer. You can change setting from the menu. Gaming on M550LP. If you want to connect your gaming console or PC, please use the HDMI 1 as it supports HDMI 2.0 which is 4K at 60 Hz. Also make sure that the cable that you are using is also HDMI 2.0 compliant and is from a reliable brand. You need to enable HDMI enhanced mode in system setting to enable variable refresh rate as well. To enable hands-free mic feature, please make sure that allow all Google permission during setup wizard, and after successfully completion, ensure to press yes I'm in on pop-up screen visible on the screen. Hey Google, open YouTube. To connect any Bluetooth device, open the settings and scroll down the remote and accessory. Here you can scan and add Bluetooth devices like soundbar, headphones, gamepads, etc. Now let's have a look at design. This TV features a bezel-less and floating glass design which gives the TV a very premium look with the metal stands. The TV has a LED status indicator at the bottom chin of the TV. The TV also has a manual operation key just beside the LED status indicator. If we have a look at the connectivity option at the back side, we can see that it has a multiple options. 3 HDMI ports, HDMI 2.0 with 1 port supporting ERC, 2 USB, 1 AV in port, 1 headphone jack, 1 optical port and 1 Ethernet port. About panel technology of this TV. This TV uses IPS panel with quantum dot color technology along with full array local dimming supports. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video was helpful. Take care and enjoy your TV.